so today I'd like to show you this chair I'm sitting on. It looks super elegant. I've got it in a color black. So let's start with sides. So on the sides we've got like a hand rests, and they can go up like that, and then they are not on your way, and when you want them you just put them right back in. So this chair is fully ergonomic. So if you can see, we've got the flexible lumbar support right here. So when we sit, it's like this chair conforms to our body shape. So it's super comfortable this way. So here we've got headrest. So headrest can go up and can go down. So again, it's up to your preference. So the chair is made out of like mesh fabric. So this makes it super breathable and as well as easy to clean. And yeah, I've been sitting on this chair for a few hours now, and I can tell it's super comfortable. Nothing hurts. If you had like a back pains before, then I'm sure you're not gonna have that with this chair. As you can see, it's like I've got plenty of space when I'm sitting. I can still move around. It's not like super small. And yeah, I think it will be great maybe in your office, maybe you want it in the living room, anywhere really. It's up to you how you're going to use it.
Okay. No. Okay. Later.